Hello A&P students, this is Mr. Becker here to talk about the structures of the mandible. So the body of the mandible is this segment of the mandible right through here that contains the alveoli that hold our teeth. We can find the ramus of the mandible right here, moving upward into two structures. We have this triangular coronoid process, which from the side has a very similar structure to the coronoid process of the ulna. They're both kind of triangular and serve as sites of insertion for muscles. And then right behind that we have the mandibular condyle, and this is going to sit in the temporal mandibular, or in the mandibular fossa on the temporal bone to form the temporal mandibular joint. And then in between those two, right here, we can see the mandibular notch. So before we go to the back side, we can see two things on the front of our mandible. First is the mental protuberance, helps to form our chin, and then located to either side, here and here, we can see the mental foramina, singular mental foramen. So this is a passageway for the mental nerve and the blood vessels that are going to go into the mandible from the front side. And then on the posterior, right about here, you can see on the plastic it doesn't show up clearly, but this is the location of the mandibular foramen on the back side of the ramus of the jaw. These are the structures that make up the mandible of the cranium.